There is no faith without knowledge, and the beginning of knowledge is a single drop.
Assalamu alaikum. Every year we receive an announcement from ANIC or alike advising us of the beginning of Ramadan and Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha. This announcement always comes days beforehand, based on calculation. I'm sure these Imams wanted to unite the Muslim community. I'm sure they have good intention. But I would like to say to them, my dear Imams, you cannot unite the Muslim community upon something which the Prophet ﷺ didn't unite them upon. The Sahaba used to know the way to calculate the positions of the moon. So the Prophet ﷺ was able to use the calculation, but he didn't do it. And he didn't want to do it. My dear Imams, if we want to unite the Muslim community in Australia upon one Eid and one Ramadan, let us go back to the basics of this deen. Sight the moon, then start fasting. Our moon in Australia, not in Indonesia or Malaysia or Saudi. Our moon. We sight the moon, we start Ramadan. We sight the moon, we celebrate Eid. This is how we will unite our Muslim community. Assalamu alaikum.